It's really good.
I was going to ask you, how is the chicken?
Really good.
I think you need another piece. It was just a small thigh.
It's delicious.
Well, I'm so glad you're enjoying it, hon.
Really good. The rice is wonderful.
Good. I'm glad you like it. All right. Here's the chicken that has been in my crock pot for 7 hours. Now, if you have a meat thermometer, you can check it in your chicken. This chicken is bone in, skin on, because it gives it all that flavor to the juice, to the broth. And it's been cooking 7 hours. So I just wanted to show you how beautiful and crusty it is on the top and how much chicken broth is in the bottom of that. So we'll be assembling our food right now. We're going to use condensed cream of chicken soup and also rice. Your choice of rice, whatever you want to use. And I do not put it in here with my chicken. I like to do it separate. Yeah, it messes up another pan, but I like to do it separate. Welcome to Tennessee. If you haven't watched my video, I'm Phyllis and we're in Tennessee and you're at Hazelwood Homestead. Tonight I want to show you what I've done. Now I've already shown you my chicken in the crock pot and it's done. And now what I'm working on, and I'm going to show you this now, is my rice to go with my chicken. And I'm also warming up a can of soup, cream of chicken soup. Why I don't want to put everything together is because I cooked enough chicken to make Alan and I more food at a later date. Maybe tomorrow night for dinner I'll barbecue the chicken that I've got ready, or I'll make something else with the rice that's left over. So I didn't combine it. I did it separately. I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, we got all these pans to wash and stuff. But it's definitely worth it if you're going to get more meals out of it. All right, let's plate up our food, y'all, and eat. I've got the chicken, the rice, cream of chicken soup. And I just put it over the rice, like that. Now, Alan and I we are definitely on a diet. And so what we're going to have for like just a little side, instead of having, something that's very high in calories, we're going to have something a little lower than that for our side. For our side, we're going to be having, I'm going to cut up a few cucumbers to munch on, so that maybe we'll think we're eating a baked potato. I don't know if that's going to work or not. But we'll put a few cucumber wedges on the side here, just to kind of brighten the plate up just a little. Bake your chicken in your oven for like 7 hours. Your rice, make your rice the way you like your rice. Now, everybody has different taste in their rice. So whatever you like, make it. We like it like this. And my rice, I use instant rice most of the time because I'm in a hurry doing other things. I'm gonna put a little pepper on top. And I think that looks like a really nice piece. Now remember, I told you my chicken is bone in, skin on, because it gives it so much flavor. And I had so much chicken broth left over. I didn't want to put my rice in the crock pot, and I didn't want to put my cream of chicken soup in there on top of all that good broth that I'm going to use on something else. Maybe some chicken and dumplings. Who knows what I'm going to do with all this. But this is one meal, and I have probably 3 more meals in here. Probably chicken and dumplings and something else. Let me take Alan his dinner. And guys, thank y'all for coming and watching us. Do you want to see how tender the chicken is? Let me show you. When you cook your chicken with the skin on, all that good flavor stays inside. It doesn't evaporate out. And I just want to show you how tender. Do you see that? How tender it is? It just falls completely apart. There's more flavor in dark meat than in a breast. So think about that when you're cooking and you're eating chicken. It is going to be so good. I just cooked the rice off camera, and I just cooked the can of soup off camera. And there was no need for me to be on camera to cook the chicken because the crock pot did it for me. So see how much freedom you get? And people think cooking is a slave job. It's not, guys. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. I want to let you guys know I'm still in therapy. My doctor's not satisfied with my knee yet, so I'm still doing physical therapy, and I'm enjoying it very much at times. My minister, my preacher, is my physical therapist. Isn't that amazing? So he's so good at what he does. He's been in the business, I think, 35 years. Been doing physical therapy that long. So we're making headway on this old knee of mine. So good to talk to y'all. And make this chicken, guys. Make it. It's so good. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.